everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with an unboxing. Oh, BB and Charlie. Charlie's hiding and BB just had enough and ran off to go down and wait for my husband to walk in the door. Here we go. Let's see what we got. This is it's in a bag. There was no bubble in the packaging, but it's still in really good shape. It's a little tiny crease, but that makes no difference to me. Let's see. This is the prettiest tree. It's just beautiful. It's not a lot of colors. It's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, only 20 colors, but they're very pretty colors. So I'm going to call this colorful tree. Here's the drills. You can see on the side that there's some really pretty colors in there. And let me open it up so we can check out the canvas. Oops, toolkit fell down. Let me put the image up for you. That's a lot easier than trying to show you the tiny thumbnail. This is one where the chart and the thumbnail are on both sides of the image, which there's no inventory sheet, so that makes it very handy, and I may even cut one of those off and put it in my kit. Very standard toolkit, green boat, pink wax, pink pen. Nice stuff. I don't know what it is about this tree that really captured me. It's the colors they added to it are just beautiful. It's very simple. Here you go. Now you can see. See, it's very simple, but just lovely. Look at those colors. It's going to be beautiful. I really like this one. It's a little more crease than I'd like, but you know, we know how to get creases out, don't we? What's your method of crease removal? Put it in the comments so we can share with people. I have not had to iron any yet. I use the weight of my other diamond paintings to flatten them out. I also put them under my mattress between pieces of cardboard when they're finished before I mount them or do anything with them, and that really straightens them out. Okay, so there it is. Very pretty, very nice little diamond painting. I don't even know what company it is, but I will put the link in the description. I will put the inventory information in the description. And if you like my videos, take a minute and hit like, subscribe, and if you ring the little bell there, you'll get notified about when my videos come out. I really appreciate you tuning in. I'm just having so much fun. It's a little out of control with the amount of diamond paintings I've bought, but I love them, and I love them all. And I'm having fun sharing my addiction with you. So take care. You have a great day and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.